What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're here with UNICE once again, same packaging as usual. Let's go ahead and get into it. As I open the box, I see some bye bye knots lace tape. All right, and then also there's the wig. I got a edge brush and comb with an extra brush head, a branded elastic headband. I got a pair of wig caps. All right, and that's everything that came in today's package. So this is the wig that we are working with today from UNICE. It's their Yaki Straight Bob human hair drawstring wig bye bye knots. It's a glueless wig and it's a 7x5 lace closure. All right, it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything, put on and go wig basically. All right, the specific length and everything will be listed down below. I love how full this is. It's very effortless, very beginner friendly. The body is there, even though it's a kinky straight, it's like it has this really nice sheen to it. This is how the inside looks. It has an adjustable strap and the knots are bleached as I showed you guys before, and I really stressed on showing you guys the drawstring portion because that is the feature. That's one of the best features of this wig because it really helps the wig to be super secure in your head. You see how it looks natural once I pull that on. The only thing, there's a bit of a cast, and I did go ahead and cut off just the tiniest bit of lace that doesn't have any hair on it whatsoever. Some people I know leave this portion on, but I personally, I don't like to have it there. Just, I mean, it doesn't do anything for me, so cutting that away will help things to look more seamless, more natural and unnoticeable. You understand? So I just took my time and really just, you know, got rid of that. Afterwards I move on to getting my face powder to make sure that everything looks even more camouflaged and well blended. So I was just taking my time to press that in. Okay, also you see how nicely pre-plucked the hairline is. That's what I'm saying. The wig is completely pre-customized. So what a wig like this does is eliminate the whole step of going to the salon, you know, having to, you know, find somebody to install the wig for you. You could simply just go ahead, purchase this wig and install it for yourself. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, I moved on to getting my wax stick because basically I just went into like styling. Before I went on to styling, I pretty much adjusted the drawstring in the back. So that's what I'm gonna get to and show you real quick. So I pretty much just took the string in the back, stuck the comb within my braids, and then I adjusted that knob that I showed you guys, and then the smaller knob to lock in the bigger knob, and that's what keeps it really secure. And I tuck away the string beneath the cap. That's it. It's not technical at all, guys. I promise you, it's really not technical. Anybody can do it, no experience needed. It's so quick, so easy. Yeah man, you can do it. Yeah. Oh, and it makes it very secure. As I'm showing you here, I'm just shaking the hair from side to side. It's not going anywhere. It's not gonna fall off. Not gonna fall off. And I'm always so blown away, as if, you know, I haven't worn a wig like this before, but it just gets me every time how well done and how much thought they put into a construction like this. So I got my hot comb after applying the wax stick, and this just helps the hair to lay really flat on top, make everything look even more realistic. So I'm just going through that with my hot comb. Okay, you just want to take your time and do that. Pretty much after that, I went in with my flat iron to just get the hair bone straight, and yeah. After I was done with getting the top of the wig really nice and flat, I pretty much just part through the closure portion to show you guys the spacing that you're working with. Also how well the knots are bleached, because that looks like scalp. Yeah, it does. So if you want to explore a side part, you could do that. You could change up the parting for sure. You probably could do another style as well. You could definitely just experiment and see what you like, you know, just have fun with it. So this is pretty much where I went into flat ironing the entire wig. So this is how it looks once I'm done with straightening the entire hair. Yeah, sleek, clean, love it. Eunice, you definitely did it again. Guys, if you're looking for a very convenient Yaki Straight wig, very beginner friendly wig, this is it. Look no further. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box. All the specifications will be listed. Summertime is coming. I feel like a wig like this will be so convenient to have. So yeah, look at the flow of the hair also. I love the flow of the hair. It has so much body, so much life, not stiff. Love the cut. It is gorgeous. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Also, I didn't get any shedding, so that's beautiful. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.